So in this video, you'll learn how to disable text message notifications on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So whenever you have text message notifications enabled, you'll notice that if you ever see a message on your phone, you'll see a notification appearing on your screen. So here you are, the notification appearing right there. However, if you want to stop text message notifications from coming in, then it's fairly simple. All you need to do is simply navigate to Settings, and then under Settings, go to the section labeled Notifications, and then tap on App Notifications. Once they've loaded, you want to scroll and look for your messaging app listed here. So if you're using Google Messages as your default messaging app, just tap on the toggle like that to disable it. If you're using Samsung Messages, just do the same thing and tap on the toggle to disable notifications from that specific app. And so now, whenever you receive any text messages on your phone, you'll notice that they won't come in as notifications. So if you ever wanted to check if you have any messages that have come in, you actually have to launch your messaging app, and then you can be able to see if you have any missed messages right there listed in the messages menu. And so that's how you can disable text message notifications on your Samsung Galaxy A36. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.